All right, welcome to Toning Cardio with Stacey. You're only going to need one medium weight, and I am using 10 pounds. Are we ready to get started? Let's go, let's march. Strong arms. Reach out to the side. Reach up. Come on, get that cardio going. We only have 10 minutes and we are going to get it done. All right. March it tall. Hamstring pulls. Breathe out, press back. Engage the core. Back to your reaches. Side. Take it up, take it up. Modified jumping jack. Work those legs. Come on. March it tall. Now squats. Knee behind the toe. Press through the glutes. Feet together, high knee, high knee, high knee, high knee, step, high knee. Pump those arms, knees up. Modified jack, regular jack. Let's go. Knees soft. Heels up. March it tall. Heel raises. You're going to start front, split, heel raise, nice and tall with the alignment. Now you're going to add a hop, come on. Get tall with it, increase that heart rate, come on. Knee behind that towel. Now, we're going to change. Heel raise, lateral hip extension back. Come on. Now, bring in that hop. Extend. Again, knee behind the top. Elongate. Up. Come on, a few more. Inhale, exhale. And march it. Side knee. Nice and and march. Grab that medium weight and nice press up. Squat to press. All right, getting ready. More cardio. A few more of these. You're gonna do weighted jacks, modified. Let's go. We're gonna have several rounds of this. Stay tall. Be soft, heels up. Put down that weight. Real fast. Knee up. This is modified. Triple run. It's coming up. It's coming up. Ready? Let's go. Let's work. Knees up. Strong arms. Bring it to the mat. In, out. Modified. Ready for some plank jacks? Wrist, elbows, shoulders aligned. Bring it up. Plank jack, let's go. Woo. Stretch it out. Bring it up. Ready? Second round. Yes. Pick up that medium weight. Come on. Inhale, exhale. Breathe. Squat to press. Exhale. Modify. Go for it. Come on, you got it. Woo. Release the weight. Ready? 3 knees, let's go. Come on. Up. Woo. Breathe. Modify. Let's go. Head in alignment. Elbow, wrist, shoulders, align. Ready? Go! Woo! Hold. Stretch it out. How we doing? Body resistance. Push-ups for 4. Knee extensions for 4. You can be on those knees if you want. Modify plank. Let's go. Bring it up. Knee extension in. Another round. Ready? Let's go. 4. Bring it on out. Knee extension. Ready? Let's go. Let's work. Nice and slow. Breathe. Stretch. This time, 1 and 1. 1 and 2, ready? You got it, come on. And breathe. All right, great job. Abs, cool down. All right, crunches, let's go. Hands underneath the hips, and scissor. Breathe, inhaling and exhaling. 2 more. Hug yourself, roll up. Nice and straight, spine off the sit bone. Core engaged, supporting the back. Lift 1 leg, lift 2. Lower it down. 1 more exhale right here. Beautiful. Up. Third dog. Opposition. Cat to cow. Release. Bring it up. Inhale, exhale. Cooling down. End of that toning cardio quick 10-minute workout. Hopefully you got a quick sweat on and you are energized to go out and enjoy the rest of your day. Until the next video, take care.